How do I get TikTok Shop back? If your TikTok Shop has been deactivated or temporarily unavailable, you can get it back by reactivating your seller account through the TikTok Seller Center. Start by logging in using the same credentials you used before and checking for any notifications or alerts explaining why your shop was removed or paused. In most cases, the reason may involve incomplete verification, inactivity, or policy updates. Completing pending verifications or resolving any flagged issues is the first step toward restoring access. Once your account is active again, review all required business and tax information to ensure compliance. TikTok often requests updated documents such as identification, business licenses, or bank details. Submitting accurate and up-to-date information helps verify your legitimacy as a seller and prevents future disruptions. TikTok's system typically reactivates the shop within a few business days once all criteria are met. After your TikTok shop is restored, focus on re-engaging your audience quickly. Post new content, restart campaigns, and consider using limited-time discounts to attract buyers back. Consistency in posting and high-quality video content helps rebuild trust and visibility on the platform. Using TikTok's analytics tools can also help identify what worked best before and where improvements can be made moving forward. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok shop like a pro.